What is up, everyone? In today's video, also episode 2 of building the Ferris wheel, we will be putting latches and seatbelts on every single car. There are 4 cars on this Ferris wheel, not 8 anymore, just because it'll be a lot easier and less crowded. But I'll show you how we got this on, and we will be doing that to those 3 cars in a time lapse. All you gotta do, unlatch. It comes and folds up like this. Then this thing, they get in. I can adjust it however much I want, and then attach it there. Once they're all loaded in, tell them the rules. Load them up. Use some hinges, and we had to cut down the little edge, which will help the terrible cuts I did on some of these edges. And off camera, we also added foot rest here just to stabilize this. So no kids are going to be breaking these cars. So let's get to the time lapse and let's do this. After that time lapse and a lot of trying to get those screws down, we finally did it and got to the second cart made. It's the exact same as this one basically. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do a time lapse of building the next 2 carts until the end of the video. So enjoy that time lapse, and I'll show you all the carts done at the very end. After a very long time of putting all of these bars on and chains, they are all finally completed and will be stored until they are painted and put on the Ferris wheel. Now, some of them are able to stand up on their own, while others, like this one, sometimes tend to fall sometimes. Yeah. So this one we'll have to do a little bit of fixing on. This one stands up, so yeah. We'll just have to fix this one. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video of episode 2 of building the Ferris wheel. So stay tuned for video 3, and see you later. Bye.